in all of the branches of accounting. That's why we spend considerable amount of time talking about this slide, because now we're going to put this into context as to why do we study this when, again, we're only talking about bookkeeping in this course. Any answer? Where does bookkeeping fit? Only in financial accounting? Only in tax accounting? Yes, in all. Mary Grace, why Micah in all branches? Could you expound your answer? Joanne says all as well. So all three people are saying all, because it's the basic source of everything. According to Marilu, of course, you don't hear her. Basic source of everything. And I completely agree with that, right? Because see, bookkeeping comes first before financial accounting, before managerial accounting, before tax and audit. There will be no financial accounting or financial statements if there was no bookkeeping, right? There's nothing to audit if there was no books, right? Books cannot just come in a whip of a finger. I want the financial statements. Boom. There you go. There you have it. There's nothing to prepare a tax return for if there's no bookkeeping, right? So you are all right. They are part of all the branches of accounting because they're basically the source, right? So imagine if you're a bookkeeper and you are not a good bookkeeper, right? So what will you produce? Wrong financial statements, right? So when we're preparing a wrong financial statements, then the financial reports are wrong, right? The audit will find a lot of errors, right? And tax returns are also going to be messed up. Not necessarily wrong, because tax accountant will spot errors, right? And it will become an inefficient preparation of the necessary reports because you have to go back and correct the mistakes.
That's the sneak peek of our US bookkeeping episode. Want the full episode? Don't miss the full learning experience. This is just a glimpse of what you'll learn in our US bookkeeping, communication skills, and US taxation courses. Register for free to access the complete session, or take your learning further by enrolling in the full program. As an enrolled student, you'll gain access to premium lessons, exclusive learning resources, career development opportunities, and our internship program at no additional cost. Whether you're a beginner, career shifter, or aspiring global professional, this program is designed to help you build the skills and confidence needed to succeed in the international job market. Click the link in the description to register or enroll today. Your journey to becoming a borderless accountant starts here. Be part of our growing community and never miss important updates, trainings, tips, and opportunities. Follow our TikTok page. Follow our Facebook page. Join our Facebook community. Connect through Telegram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit our website. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you'll never miss our next training session. See you in the next video. Borderless accountants. Skills without borders. Careers without limits.